Osalan is the name for the Basque Institute for Occupational Safety and Health, created in 1993 as an autonomous body of the Basque government to manage policies on occupational safety, hygiene, environment and health. Its objectives include the integration of occupational health and safety into the culture of Basque society, the facilitation of occupational risk prevention activities, providing assistance, technical advice, and the creation of prevention guides, the promotion of compliance with occupational risk prevention regulations, collaboration with other public administrations and institutions to improve health and safety at work, the encouragement of the active participation of society as a whole.
The Institute has central services as well as 3 territorial centres, which work supporting the primary, industrial, service and construction sectors in 5 preventive disciplines: safety at work, industrial hygiene, occupational medicine, ergonomics, applied psychosociology. The highest body is the General Council, which along with the participation of trade unions, employers and administration is responsible for approving Osalan's action programs.
Osalan's roadmap is currently defined in the Basque Strategy for Health and Safety at Work 2021 to 2026. Its priorities are to place people at the centre, acting in favour of those groups with the greatest difficulties in implementing occupational risk prevention, integrating a gender perspective and reducing inequalities. By integrating the participation of all agents in occupational health and safety, and by seeking the necessary alliances, the prevention of occupational hazards forms a natural part of the activities in our daily lives.
Osalan dedicates a large part of its resources to activities which disseminate the culture of prevention through the preparation of guides, protocols and materials, as well as awareness-raising campaigns.
Osalan also conducts training activities which are aimed at all groups involved in the prevention of risks in the workplace.
Furthermore, part of Osalan's resources is devoted to research into occupational risk prevention. It analyzes and researches the causes and determining factors of work-related accidents and occupational illnesses to provide the appropriate preventive and corrective measures. It has a hygienic analysis laboratory that provides analysis of environmental and biological samples to determine exposure to chemical agents. These investigations are intended solely for preventive purposes and not for the determination of any liability, legal or otherwise.
Likewise, through its Occupational Health Unit, Osalan is the competent authority for the authorisation and monitoring of health activity and prevention services.
On a monthly basis, it also publishes statistics on accidents at work and occupational illness in the autonomous community of the Basque Country, as well as producing annual reports on work-related accidents, occupational illnesses, and on the system for reporting suspected work-related illnesses.
Derived from accident rate data, Osalan's campaigns and action objectives are directed at companies with the aim of analysing the adaptation of prevention measures and, where appropriate, making new proposals.
Finally, Osalan promotes the integration of the gender perspective in the prevention of occupational risk, producing guides and support material. All these tasks are carried out under the inspiring principle that guides all its activity, which is to ensure safe work as a source of health in Euskadi.